Hello YouTube. Let's say you're writing some kind of a script and you need to find out not just what's the IP of your PC, you probably know that, but also what's the name of your PC, name of your host. Why? Well, in many cases when you're writing server application, you need to know that detail. And that's especially important if you're sending that script to another companies, to hosting provider. I don't know what you're doing, but you have, that special need and you need to grab that piece of information. It can easily happen that, maybe you will tomorrow need to write script that will get reports about status of hardware on 100 PCs in your company or whatever. So maybe, probably you will also need IP and host names. So yeah, what do you need from Python? Now, if you go to socket documentation for Python and you go to get host name, so you will run into this option, this one, get host name, and it will return a string containing the host name of the machine where the Python interpreter is currently executing. Okay, so localhost stuff. What's that? Oh yeah, if get host name doesn't always return the fully qualified domain name, use get fqdn. But in many cases this will work. Okay, so yeah, let's import sockets or socket imobst. Oh yeah, import sockets, and the thing is really simple. We will just print socket get host name, and you don't need to pass any parameters because you're dealing with sockets with localhost in this case. So yeah, let's save this script as localhost, for example. Simple stuff, and let's run it. There you go, desktop. In my case there's desktop, in your case that will be something else, of course. So let's actually check that. This PC, and there you go. There you go, the name of my PC is desktop right now. That's it, really simple stuff. Now, of course, you can create alias here as S, for example. So when you don't need to put socket here every time when you're doing something, not just with get host name, but with many other options. So you will just use S here. And let's run it again, and you got the same result. That's it, really simple stuff. There is really nothing else that I can talk about, So anyway, thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.